Set your case on a flat surface. Typically, label side up is the correct position. Take out the bell and the lower joint. Carefully join the bell and lower joint by using a gentle twisting motion. When holding the lower joint, be sure that you are not bending the pinky keys with extra pressure. Now, take out the upper joint. The bridge key often gets bent. To avoid this problem, press the middle finger key that lifts the bridge key. Gently attach the upper joint and lower joint together with small twisting motions. Be sure to continually lift the bridge key. Take out the barrel. The barrel attaches to the top of the upper joint. Last, take out your mouthpiece. Attach your mouthpiece to the barrel. You're now ready to play.